How to track flights on Skyscanner. Skyscanner is a travel search engine that helps users find the best deals on flights, hotels, and car rentals. Tracking flights on Skyscanner typically involves using their price alerts feature or checking live flight details. Here's a step-by-step guide. Open the website or app. Enter your departure and arrival locations, travel dates, and number of passengers. Once you've entered the search details, click on the Get Price Alerts or Track Prices button. You can turn off alerts if you no longer need them. You'll need to log in or create an account if prompted. Skyscanner will notify you via email or app notifications about changes in flight prices. Skyscanner is primarily a price tracker and booking tool, so it doesn't provide real-time flight tracking. For live flight tracking, use platforms like Flight Radar 24 or the airline's website. Thanks for watching.